In this video, I'm going to show you what you should do if you can't find your ticket in the AXS or Access app. So in some cases, if you have recently purchased a ticket and if you're unable to find the ticket on your purchase list or on the My Events section, then in that case, what you'll have to do is you need to follow these steps. First thing, you need to go ahead and sign in into your account with the same email address that you've used when purchasing your ticket. And if it is your first time or haven't signed in from your device in a while, you'll be able to ask to verify your email address. So make sure to verify it. Then an email will be sent, and then you'll be able to sign in into your account. And when you've done that, you could go ahead and tap on My Ticket option located right at the bottom, and then go to My Event, and you should be able to find your ticket before the event. In spite of doing this procedure, you're still unable to fix it. Then, if you have recently purchased it, then you have to wait for a couple of hours or maybe seconds, and still you're unable to find it. Then you can go ahead and directly contact the organizer or the seller who has actually sold the ticket, and you can state about the issue and send them some sort of screenshot. So this is what you should be doing if you are unable to find a ticket in the AXS app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.